I just hit a corner, doing like 70. What up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So I have a really exciting part to show you today. It actually took me a while to take a chance and get it. Obviously, from the last video you saw me install the rear strut tower brace, the Megan Racing one that I got on an awesome deal from eBay. Matter of fact, I was actually looking for the front first. From the last video, I told you guys that I was actually down in Mexico taking a corner at 60 miles an hour or more, and the car, even with my aggressive tire fitment, it's like the car couldn't hold the road. Why? When this, for a quick recap, remember when you're going around a corner that fast and the laws of inertia take place, the body in motion tends to stay in motion like straight motion. What ends up happening, you have chassis flex. So now when this side is doing something else other than that side, guess what ends up happening? The suspension can't work hand in hand and it won't do its job effectively. So now by tying both ends of the suspension via this bad boy right here from Tanabe Racing, now you're going to cause the suspension to work more effectively because you're tying both ends of the strut tower together. So this is the bad boy right here, as I showed you before, the Tanabe Racing front strut tower brace. And guess what? Why am I excited? Because of that right there. One of the biggest questions on the internet, on all the forums, they ask, will whatever strut tower, will it clear an IAG AOS? And most of the people I contacted, Megan Racing, Blocks Racing, Perrin, even Tanabe, guess what they said? I'm probably gonna have to lower it. The thing is, lowering that AOS, you want to keep it the same level at this for proper drainage. So sometimes lowering it even by millimeters can cause issues. That's why in IAG's instruction, they give you certain instructions to keep it at a certain height or whatnot. So you don't want to end up causing problems for yourself. So obviously you see me taking these off, these strut tower bolts off. Things that you're going to need, guys. Definitely, you are going to need a 14mm socket. That is for this bolt right here. You're going to need a 3/8 Allen key. You're going to need a 12mm socket. The 12mm socket is for the strut tower bolts. Definitely some, I'm definitely going to have to, I see some corrosion over here, so I'm definitely going to be putting some Amsoil metal protector on that. Oh, by the way, guys, definitely, how did I bypass this? You're going to need a torque wrench, because at the end, you have to torque this bad boy to around 14 foot-pounds. So you definitely don't want to forget that. So what you're going to see me doing right now, I'm going to mock up where the brackets are going to go, these brackets left and right. And guys, they give you very thorough instructions right here. Definitely follow it. You'll see they want you to put the brackets on first. But I'm putting the stuff on here. It's freaking windy today, so sorry about that. See what I'm saying? Damn it. And so now the passenger side, the bracket has a little bit of writing on it, and this is it right here. See that writing right here? This goes on the passenger side, so it goes on like so. And I love the fact that this actually has, it actually has recesses in here for those OEM bolts. It's so freaking cool. Now look how it is. Look at where it goes. So that strut bar definitely goes over, it clears that AOS and my intercooler piping. I'm so freaking relieved. You guys don't even know. I've been looking for this for a long time. That's why I installed the rear first. Isn't that a little backwards to you? Exactly. So here we go. All right, guys, so what's in the box? You have your passenger side, driver's side strut tower braces, the brackets actually. You have the strut tower bar right here that ties everything together. You got your freaking high horsepower sticker right here. It's actually really, really nice, to tell you the truth. It's really, really nice. And you have some really, really good instructions. Great instructions. They show you everything, where to put the bracket. The only thing that they don't tell you to do is the torque spec for the car. This is about 14 foot-pounds of torque. So that's the only thing that they don't tell you, but still, it's pretty damn good. Here we go. All right, guys, so as for the instructions, they said pretty much tighten down the brackets first and make sure you torque them down to the specified torque. As I said, 14 foot-pounds. Guys, what I did was that corner bolt, they definitely made this bracket in mind where you didn't have an IAG AOS. Like, for real, that was a pain in the ass. So what I did was, see how, if you notice the depth of this bolt right here, the threads, look at these, look at the stud, I'm sorry, look at the stud. So the depth of the threads, I mimicked that. I tightened it down. I couldn't get the torque wrench in there, so I mimicked the height of this depth. Both of these I got with the torque wrench. I mimicked the height on that one, and so I'm gonna call that 14 foot-pounds. It's very, very difficult to get anything in there. You literally have to take out that AOS to even torque that down. So now I'm about to do the other side, and we're going to the next step. All right, guys, so both of the strut tower bar brackets, they're mounted. They look pretty good, not gonna lie. There's not a lot of space in there. Not a lot of space in there. And did I mention before, I love how the brackets, it has like the recess in there, so the nut fits perfectly in there, man. Love it. Really, really good. I'm very, very, very excited and happy with it. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this hardware on the end and start putting the bar on completely.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alrighty, so we're finished with the install. Once you're finished with the install, guys, shake the car, make sure it's not hitting anything. You could even, I'm shaking this shit hard, you could feel like it's stable. So can't wait to take the test drive. All the bolts are torqued down, 14 foot-pounds of torque. These, you tighten these, you need a 14 socket for back here. You got the 3/8 Allen key, Allen wrench. You have a 17mm wrench for this right here. This is approximately from here to where this bolt ends. It's about 14mm of thread on both sides to get it to line up perfectly. You know, dead center, no impediments. So now once you figure out equal spacing apart, then you start tightening everything down. As I said, this is tight, so you got your 3/8 Allen wrench with your 14mm socket here, 17mm wrench here. Tighten that bad boy down last, and obviously the bolt comes flush down here. This bolt comes down here. At the end, it goes here, jamming up here to hold the bar in place. And that is it. Time to take this bad boy for a test drive. All right, guys, taking a quick drive after this front strut tower brace. definitely, the response is so much different when it's crazy. Very, very, very responsive. Gotta tell you, off the bat. It's just like, it's not like flexing at all, man. It feels good. Guys, just remember, once you finish from your little drive or whatever, double check your bolts, make sure everything is still torqued down where it should be. So nice. That's a 15-mile-an-hour corner. I took that at 40 or 50 with ease. Man, this car sounds badass, I ain't gonna lie. Alright guys, that's my time. Definitely, as I said, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll talk to y'all soon.